You? I hope you are doing fine. Today we are going to draw two parrots using the letter M and M. Let's draw two M here. This is the first M. This is another M. Now we can draw the love sign here. And let's put two curved line here. Also another curved line here. The two parrots is looking to each other. And they're sitting on the branch of a tree. We can draw the branch now. All right, let's extend the tail a little bit and draw like this. The tail is getting really nice, looks really nice. We can do little detailing here on the back. All right, the drawing is complete. We can put some shades on to make the drawing more interesting. Looks like they are looking to one another. Doing the detailing requires little time and patience, but we need to do it to make the drawing more interesting and more looks good. This is the branch. Let's put a leaf here. Another leaf here. Awesome. This is the drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe for any new update. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.